Yeah. So before I get into the video, please leave a like and subscribe and share this video with other people so they can get this valuable information. And also, with that said, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys. So I'm very excited because today I'm going to show you how you can work for remote jobs. So work remotely at home, not for remote jobs. So as you can see, the reviews on the remote websites, basically a lot of people are happy with remote work and are happy doing remote work. Firstly, there's flexibility, then there's work in the comfort of your own home, then also you can work at your own time also, as long as you finish your work. But as you can see, people are happy with working remotely from home, especially since COVID hit. So people are very happy with working from home. So if you go to these websites here, for example, I have 4 websites as I'm going to show you today. It's going to be a quick video, this stay till the end, so you get every step that I'm going to show you. So firstly, there's authentic jobs. Basically, this is a website where you can come here, register, make a profile, and you sign up to get notified when there's new positions. So basically, this is for any positions, but I see a lot of the positions are mainly for software developer positions, so IT. So this is a very good start. And since developer positions are blowing up and the pay is very well, you can make anywhere from $100 to even like some people are making like $80 an hour. So easily a day you're going to make like, maybe say you're going to make like $400 or $500 a day. Some jobs pay like $80,000 a year, some jobs like $100,000. So once you register to these websites, you can check the available positions. And the second website is dynamitejobs.com, not dynamic, sorry, dynamitejobs.com. So let's go to dynamitejobs.com. So basically that's our same website. You create your profile and you can check for remote jobs. So it's the same thing over and over. I'll leave these links in the description so you guys know exactly where to go. And the third one is workq.com. So guys, online is the way to go now. Working remotely is the way to go, especially if you're South African and if you are a developer, you're gonna get paid anyway, especially if you're experienced, like if from 5 to 7 years experience, you're gonna get paid anywhere from $80,000 to $120,000 a year, which is roughly 1.5 million to 2.2 million rand a year, which is good actually. So I love this website because it has good filtering. So basically, if you go remote jobs, once you sign up and register and you know all of that boring stuff, then you can check for the different careers. But like I say, like you don't only have to be a developer to do this. You can do like customer service and stuff like this. But developers, most of these remote jobs, like because developers can work remotely easy without no hassles, because that's our job. I mean, we code. But yeah, other positions or other careers, you can also work from home. And the last website is remotive.com. So remotive.com is a similar website where you can sign up. There's not much to discuss about this website. It's basically, it's got an easy use interface. You can sign up, and also some of these websites are charging a monthly fee. The reason why they do that is to notify you for jobs that suit your talent and jobs where you can grow, and specific jobs. So in every career there's a specific position or job or skill that you have and you're looking for in that position. So as you can see even the amount that you're getting paid. Software engineer, from what did I tell you guys, this one is even more, from 120k to 200k. So that's 1.7 million to 3.4 million rand a year. That's a lot, but it's Python. Python is a very demanding programming languages. You guys might be asking why I talk of developer position so much. Is because I'm a developer myself. There's also jobs for other positions like customer service, freelance, not only for developers, but I'm a developer, so yeah, mostly I'm showing you guys the developer positions are paying the most actually, especially full stack and stuff like that. So if you guys found value in this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll leave these 4 websites in my description in a link below, so you guys can go check them out. And if you find anything worth looking at, or you register to one of the sites, please leave a comment below that your experience of the website. Thank you.